PP woven bag industry is changing. Today, success isn't about buying the cheapest machine. It's about producing faster, smarter, and more efficiently. That's why manufacturers are asking different questions. Can my machine produce more bags every minute? Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited, BCS with Liner Insertion Machine. You get India's fastest production speed, 30 to 35 bags per minute. Can my printing line run without unnecessary stoppages? Our intelligent 6-color Flexo printing machine features an automatic unwinding and rewinding system for continuous production with minimal downtime. Can I produce more with fewer people? Our BCS with liner insertion and hemming machine can reduce manpower by up to 30 to 40 workers while maintaining high-speed, consistent production. So today, the question isn't, which machine costs less? It's, which machine helps my business grow faster? Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. We engineer machines that deliver faster ROI, reduced manpower, minimal downtime, and higher production efficiency.